Good morning, Rockstar Kindergartners. Today for our morning work, you're going to use a Q-tip and paint. And we are going to practice Q-tip painting the letters C and D. So for the letter C, I'm going to do capital C. Now, I'm only using one color today for my Q-tip painting. I'm using purple. You can use one color or multiple colors in rainbow paint. So I'm going to come around and make my capital C. Remember, I'm just dotting. And then I'm going to make my lowercase c, taking my time and just doing small dots. Okay, and now we're going to do capital D. So for capital D, I'm going to come down. I'm going to do a straight line down, dot, 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 taking my time. And I'm going to do my curve around for capital D. Okay, and then for lowercase d, again, I'm going to do a straight line down. Now, remember when we talked about B, I talked about how B is going to have a belly, so the belly is going to come this way. D does not have a belly. D has a diaper. So we're going to put the curve behind the line for lowercase d. All right, friends, so I did my C Q-tip and my D Q-tip. Remember, you can use multiple colors if you want, or just use one color like I did. I will see you all soon.